Imagine logging into your company training and actually wanting to finish it. In 2025, gamified corporate training isn't just a trend. It's one of the most effective ways to boost engagement, performance, and retention. In this video, we'll break down 5 real-world examples of companies using game mechanics to transform training, from Siemens and Domino's to Deloitte and McDonald, so you can steal what works and adapt it to your own programs. Let's start with a big one, turning an industrial plant into a playable game. Siemens and their simulation game, Plantville. Siemens built a virtual plant management game where employees step into the role of an industrial plant manager. Their mission? Optimize performance, improve sustainability, solve problems in real time, all inside a risk-free simulation. As employees make decisions, they see the impact on output, efficiency, and safety, and they're learning about Siemens products and processes at the same time. Employees can learn by experimenting, failing safely, and trying again. Next, Domino's and their Pizza Hero training. Domino's used a game-like course to train staff on pizza prep and operational standards. Employees go through scenario-based tasks from building the right pizza to assembling orders correctly. They earn points, achievements, and progression as they improve. Result, training becomes less, watch this boring video, and more, beat your last score. That boost in engagement translates into better performance on the job, consistency, speed, and quality. Third, Deloitte's Digital Leadership Academy. Deloitte added classic game mechanics to their leadership training. Missions instead of modules. Badges instead of just certificates. Leaderboards to show progress and friendly competition. That simple shift in structure led to a 47% increase in weekly return users. In other words, people kept coming back to the learning platform not because they had to, but because the experience felt more like a challenge than a chore. This is a great example of using gamification to keep busy leaders consistently engaged in ongoing development. Number 4. McDonald's Japan and their Nintendo-style training. They had a big challenge, thousands of new hires with no prior fast food or kitchen experience. Instead of sending everyone to long corporate training sessions, they invested around $2.2 million to develop a game-like training module for a Nintendo DS-style system. Each of the 3,800 McDonald's locations in Japan received 2 consoles. New employees could practice tasks like cooking fries, assembling burgers, cleaning workstations, during their spare time inside a structured game. According to their HR manager, this approach cut training time in half. That's the power of letting people practice in a game before they perform in the real kitchen. Finally, PwC Hungary and Multipoly next. This one isn't just about training, it's about recruitment. PwC created an enterprise simulation game where candidates complete tasks that mirror real job functions. As they work through business scenarios and challenges, they earn points that contribute to potential job offers. So instead of just reading CVs and doing standard interviews, PwC sees candidates solve problems, make decisions, interact with realistic situations. It turns recruitment into an engaging experience and gives both sides a much clearer picture of fit. If you're thinking about using gamification in your own corporate training, start small. Pick one program. Add one game mechanic, a challenge, a score, a storyline. Test and improve from there. Still don't know how to make an interesting game out of a training program? Check out the 10 gamification tools in our next video. If you'd like more examples or ideas on how to turn your training content into engaging visuals and game-like experiences, stick around. This channel is all about animation, learning design, and corporate training that actually works. Thanks for watching.